This is a mini video explaining the Shamanic Practices workshop. So within this workshop at this moment in time, there are 4 guided meditations that you'll find within this workshop, and I'm sure there will be more added as more information comes through. So the main 4 components of this workshop at this moment in time are number 1, power animal retrieval. So this is going to be, if you haven't done a shamanic journey before, this is one of my favorite things in the world. It's very powerful, and when you go on a shamanic journey for the first time, it is truly amazing. And if you're not somebody who sees clearly, you're not clairvoyant, I find that when people take their first or possibly a few into it, but typically their first power animal retrieval shamanic journey, they get a lot of great symbolic hits and can start to begin to develop and trust in that inner eye. And so it's a really amazing, I think, powerful and symbolic journey that you'll take and understand and begin to understand more about yourself, and then how you connect in with the energy of this animal that's aligning with you. So moving into the second meditation that's within this series, the let's see, what do I say, understanding the energy of animals. So how do I even begin to say this without you thinking I'm crazy? So there in my timeline, I have a connection to a timeline where I basically lived half human, half animal, and it was a different planet. And so this was before my existence here on the planet Earth. And so within these guided meditations, it's really amazing and powerful energy came through, expressing exactly why humans and animals chose to incarnate together on Earth and the lessons they learned. And so it takes us back to the origins of that initial partnership, and allows you to take on the energy of different animals. So if you're somebody who works with animals, somebody who likes the shamanic work, somebody who works with the earth, somebody who uses healing techniques, this is a really powerful meditation because you will be able to embody the energy of the animal and figure out exactly what the animal's purpose here is for. And it's just a really, in my opinion anyways, it was a really moving meditation when it was gifted to me. So one I really enjoy doing, and there's not enough time in the world to do that over and over. So the third meditation here is the Chakra Totem meditation. So this is a lot of fun because if you will have done your power animal retrieval, and so that's going to go into the solar plexus chakra. But the other chakras you will find have specific attributes that connect in with the energy of these animals. And although you will have an initial connection, and it'll be your main connection through each of the chakra energy centers, these can change over time too as you as your needs change. And so this is another one that you can do initially and then check in and see if anything's moved or changed. And the animals that will attach to you and ally with you throughout each of your chakra centers will bring through messages and symbolic understandings of who you are and how you're operating through each of those chakras. And there's even a reverse. So how I see it when I do the meditation is there's one set of animals that line the front of my body, and there's a set of animals that are the shadow side, or that line the back of the body, and they just give even more understanding and information into your persona and psyche and where you are right now. And there's a lot of benefit of then knowing who these animals are that are allying with you and your energy, and what gifts they bring to you in this timeline. And then through there you can even go back to the second meditation and develop even a stronger connection to each of those animals. So it's these in this series really build on one another and are really in my opinion powerful, and that's probably because I've had a life being half animal, half human. So the fourth meditation here is healing with animal energy. And so in this meditation you find and carve out a sacred space through the heart the sacred space of the heart, and you will connect in with your animal ally and use this animal's energy and allow this animal to kind of guide you in some of the healing arts, whether it be for you or for other people. So this is a great beginning kind of into the sixth component of the Unique Gifts and Talents workshop, which is the healing energies and how to heal in this esoteric field. So it's a great kind of beginning journey into that work as well. So with light and love.